In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Facebook. If you've been getting those pop-up alerts in the corner of your screen while using Chrome, those are browser notifications that come from Facebook through Chrome's permission system. We're going to switch off that permission so Chrome stops showing them while keeping everything else in your browser unchanged. First, open Chrome settings. The simplest way is to click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose Settings. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also open a new tab and head to the settings page directly. Either way, you'll land on Chrome's main settings screen. Next, go to Site Settings, then open Notifications. Depending on your version of Chrome, you'll find Site Settings under the Privacy and Security section. Notifications is where Chrome lists which sites are allowed or blocked from sending you alerts. This is the control center for site-specific pop-ups, and changing a site to block here prevents it from interrupting you with banners, sounds, or badges. Now find Facebook.com in the list. You'll typically see it under the Allowed or Allowed to Send Notifications section. It might appear as Facebook.com, www.facebook.com, or even m.facebook.com. They all represent Facebook, so check for any entry that clearly points to Facebook. If you see a search box on this page, you can type Facebook to jump to it quickly. If not, scroll through the entries until you locate it. Once you've found Facebook.com, click Block. Depending on your Chrome layout, you may click the three dots next to the site and select Block, or open the site's permissions and change notifications to block. Either way, you're telling Chrome to deny notification requests from Facebook going forward. The change takes effect immediately. You don't need to restart your browser, and you won't see any more Facebook pop-ups from Chrome after this. A quick note, blocking notifications in Chrome only affects browser-based alerts. It doesn't change Facebook's in-app notifications or emails. If you still get alerts on your phone or inside the Facebook app, those are controlled separately within Facebook's own settings or your device's notification settings. Also, if you use multiple Chrome profiles or other browsers, repeat this same process in each place you've allowed notifications. That's it. With Facebook.com set to block under notifications, Chrome will quietly keep those alerts away, letting you focus without distractions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, calmer browsing experience.